Unit S, concept 7, part number 4, which is cosine x over 2 minus sine of x equals 0. So the first thing you want to do is add sine to both sides, sine of x. So you're going to be left with cosine of x over 2 equaling sine of x. So we know that cosine of x is the same as this equation, which is the half angles formula. So I'm going to replace this with this. So it's going to look like this. So it's going to be radical 1 plus cosine of x over 2 equals sine of x. Now what I want to do is square both sides, which would be 1 plus cosine of x over 2 equals sine squared of x. This is one of the identities, which sine squared equals 1 plus cosecant squared. So it's going to be 1 plus cosecant x over 2 equaling 1 minus cosine of x of cosine squared x. Now what I want to do is multiply both sides by 2. Cancel this side out. So it's going to look like this. See? Now what I want to do is get everything to one side. So I'm gonna subtract 2 on this side and add 2 cosine to both sides. So what I'm gonna get is this. See, now what I want to do is break this down, which would be 2 cosine x minus 1 cosine of x plus 1 equaling 0. So it's the same as 2 cosine of x minus 1 equals 0, and then cosine of x plus 1 equals 0. We'll do this one first. We add 1 to both sides. 2 cosine of x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2. Cosine of x equals 1/2. And then where cosine of x is 1/2 is at the 60-degree angle and the 300-degree angle, which in radians would be pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Now this side, subtract both by 1, left with cosine of x equals -1. Cosine of x, cosine is a -1 at 180 degrees, which is just pi in radians.